Hey guys, today's January the 23rd of 2014. I want to go over the euro, just give you my thoughts and my opinions, and know that this is an educational video only, so please consult a professional financial advisor. Alright, you can see pretty interesting world markets. Asia is very negative, euro is negative, and chances are the US session will probably be negative, so it'll be interesting. This US session is just open now, it's 8:30. I'm doing a late video. I was up late working on some stuff. So let's look at the calendar for today. Actually, for today, yeah, Euro French PMI was very positive, and German Flash PMI was very positive. So that must have gotten a pop on the euro. It like popped like at 1:21 a.m. in the morning, my time. Um, And today we have for the U.S. session existing home sales because this could shake the euro also. So 9 a.m. Central Time. Keep an eye on the euro. What's going on there? For tomorrow, Friday, nothing really much. It's gonna be quiet. Commitment of traders. Very interesting play here. We got commercials hedging. So they're buying the euro, and you got large speculators selling on the index, and on the net positions, it's they just cross, but they just crossed. That's all I'm gonna say. They just crossed. So commercial are hedging, and large speculators are selling, but really tight movement. And this is with the options and future. And this is indicating very bearish, but it's just like turning now. It's not. It's now making a lower low and a lower high. So it'll be interesting. Kind of mix. It could probably be some kind of game. Who knows? But really interesting. Um, don't know what to say yet with this euro pop. So I don't know if this is a head fake or the report is a head fake, and this euro wants to go higher. In regards to the relative performance on the day, the euro is very strong. It's 0.83%, and on the week, it's 0.88%. So pretty strong. If we go to the month, it's negative, but not as bad as the CAD. It's negative 0.28, and for the quarter, it's negative 0.85. So let's get into the charts. Alright, so this is the action that we got. We got this pop all the way to 36.68. You can see that I already put stops here. I had, you guys remember my videos. The 15th was a seasonal date. The 20th was a seasonal date, made a pivot low. I wasn't trading these couple of days that passed, that's why I haven't posted a video. So if you were following the seasonal dates, you would have gotten that low in there and you would have been big. Made a lot of pips. So the seasonal dates were working really good. Next seasonal date will be the 29th. So thinking out loud, would this pop all the way up for the 29th, then to sell down? We'll see. It'll be interesting. The 29th, what day will that be? That'll be next Wednesday, so keep that on your calendar. So we got an outside day pop, and we hit some stops already here. So if you were short, you already got stopped out, which is a good thing. You locked in some profits, and you got some other stops. So if this thing wants to go higher, it's gonna go up here, and it's gonna go all the way up here, which is at 37.40. It's gonna get these stops. Let's put the Gann chart and see what we got. So now we got the green light to go long. Especially look at this candle, it's a bull kicker. It just took all these candles out, showing a lot of signs of buying on the 23rd. But you know, the reports came out in French positive, in German positive. But then again, you look at the commitment of trader, and they're hedging. Speculators are selling, and this is kind of flat going sideways. So it's interesting if this report is just a head fake. We'll see in the next couple of days. So we're long. So it's giving us signal to go long. That we're in a long swing now. And now let's add our Andrews pitchfork to see where we at. Okay, so now you're back on track. You need to make sure that you don't close below 36.22 on that Andrews. And we have another Andrews that's pretty strong, which is this angle, and we're above there too. As long as we don't close below 36.26, we're good. Now we take those two out. And now let's look at our price retracement levels and see what we got. So it blew through the 25. Your next resistance will probably be that 36.99. That's the 50% from this swing low. So that's the key level you want to watch. We add some more. Yep. That's the first level you want to watch. The 36.99, 36.95 is a cluster. You got a 50 and you got a 25. So that's an area you want to watch for possible resistance. I think that's it for now. All the other ones are pretty much bigger. And what else I wanted to show you? I think that's it. I think I got everything pretty much covered. So let's go now to the next chart, which is my Gann emblem. This is for January. We have the 25th, which is a big cluster date, but the markets are closed. You know why? Because it's a Saturday. So it's either going to affect Friday or maybe Sunday, but just want to let you know on that. And let's go into our charts and see what we got. As you can see, this is the 1 by 1. It did a bull kicker, blew through the 50, the 20, and went all the way as high as 36.68. If you're doing some astro and you trade with planets and whatnot, looks like Saturn is going to make it's going to be resistance today as of now for Euro. It could go higher, but right now Saturn is keeping Euro in check right there. But that 35.55, that's an angle you want to stay above and close. This slope goes higher, so the 29th, that will be 36.66. Ooh, the 666. So yeah, so if we come to the 29th and we're above 36.66, then this thing wants to go higher and maybe test 38.10 or the 38.92. If we dance around here in the 29th and the 29th comes and where we could probably sell, but I'm just speculating. So this is a good thing that we're above the 1 by 1. We look at my profit charts and we put the gunner 24. You see that you got the 1 by 1 here also. So it found support here on this line on the date of seasonal date of the 20th, and it shot up and now it's dealing with this angle. If you stay above this angle, and this is an angle from here, so the one I'm showing you, it's from 5/4/11, swing high all the way to the 7/24 2012 swing low. That's the 1 by 1 angle. So just to let you know how things are, sometimes all related. Let's look at the big picture, and we'll wrap this video up. Make some money scalping here and there on the euro. See what the big picture is telling us. You see, we blew through the mobile. We got a white candle. We got PPS buy signal. TMA's positive. Everything's positive. This has a huge spike. Fisher signal buy. Everything is pretty much positive on the daily, especially when you have a bull kicker like that. and you're dealing with the 36.66. I don't know why I put that level there. It's interesting, but yeah, but we did a high of 36.68. So let's see what happens. And you blew our way through the this level, and it's all positive here. On the weekly, you're inside the mobile band. You see that this is red, but because this is going to be all noise within a week. Once you get out and stay above 37.07, this is open skies, and then you have to deal with the 50%, which is a 38.39. You got to deal with that level. This is positive. This is still negative, 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 and you got a squeeze play on the weekly. So still negative. The only thing you got going is the daily and the 12-hour helping you to go long. And then you got a new moon coming up on the 29th. So very interesting. We got a new moon. We got a seasonal date on the 29th. So you got two things. Gann doesn't have anything. The Gann emerald doesn't have anything on the 29th. Even on my market geometry dates, which I might have to update, but nothing really there. So good trading, make some pips. Hope this helps. And as long as it stays above, you know what, that 1x1 angle, we'll be good to go. It might probably have a pullback and then might shoot up higher. Maybe that probably might be a good opportunity to get in the pullback. But you got to make sure it stays over the 1x1. Good trading, make some pips, and I'll post my next video hopefully tomorrow. Peace.